Good morning, everyone. Today we are in my bathroom. I have a little bit of spot treatment on my face right now. Today we're going to be doing a little get ready with me. It is morning time, I just woke up. But yeah, so we're in my bathroom pre-renovation. I'm gonna like completely renovate my bathroom. It's like such a mess outside of right here, like literally right over there. There's like a whole bunch of boxes of like makeup and skincare and stuff. I'm vlogging like the process of doing my room, but I wanted to do my bathroom as like a whole separate video, you know, like do its whole own, like from start to end, like transformation makeover kind of thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's just get started. I'm gonna wash this off my face. We're gonna start by moisturizing my face. I gave myself like a little facial last night because I noticed with like the seasons changing, my skin got really dry. I'm just gonna use this. This is the Glow Booster Serum from Dior. I've been using the same products for like the past month or two because all of my products I still haven't even unpacked from moving. Like all of my makeup and all my skincare, hair care products, body products, tanning stuff, like everything is still all in boxes because I haven't bought like anything to organize with. You know how everybody organizes their makeup and stuff with like the Alex 9 drawers from Ikea, and like I had them too? Well, I had this like whole epiphany that I just hated them. And I feel like they also just don't go with like the room look that I'm going for now. Like I'm going for like a more mature, like I don't know, I just didn't want those little like Ikea ugly office-y looking things in my room. So I've been searching for like literally the past 2 months to find something to store my makeup in. I just got something, but I'm still like waiting for it to come in the mail. Doing eye cream, by the way. Now this is the Lotus Youth Preserve eye cream. So today I'm not really getting ready for anything like specific. I actually am not going anywhere today. I have both New York Fashion Week and Paris Fashion Week coming up, so I have to style for both of those, like tons of outfits to wear and like pack with me. So speaking of a pack with me or like a style with me, let me know in the comments if you guys would want that, like for like when I style for Paris Fashion Week, like a little style with me or a pack with me or something. And you know, the pressure's on because they're not just normal outfits, they're Fashion Week outfits. So I need lots of inspiration. I need to really like get the wheels rolling. I'm gonna do a little lip mask. This is the Laneige, I'm not sure, sleeping mask. It's a lip mask. This is the vanilla one. So it's really nice. And I like to have that on while I do my makeup. So what was I just talking about? I already don't remember. Okay. Oh, I was talking about my room. So yeah, so I'm still vlogging for my room. I thought those, let me start my makeup first before I get into convo. I don't think I want to use any skin product. I've been doing that lately. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna use my, here we go, my La Mercier concealer. I'm just gonna do like 2 little dots under here. Maybe 3. But I'm working on lots of little projects for my room. I expected when I moved, I was like, I'm gonna be like busting out all this content with like room video after room video. Like it's gonna be so fun and interesting and cool. But like it's taking me so long to do stuff. I don't know why. I didn't expect it to take so long to be able to do all these little projects in my room. Like not that much gets accomplished that quickly. Like I maybe only get accomplished like 1 or 2 tasks a day. There we go, just brighten myself up a little bit. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of blush and then we'll bronze and highlight. I'm gonna use this little like Chanel, this is in the shade 55 In Love. How cute is that? It's just like this perfect little like light peachy color. Yeah, like I said, not really going anywhere, so we're probably just doing like my everyday minimal look. I don't even know what to talk about in these videos. I literally don't even know what to talk about. I was like, oh, look at that sun right there. Like a little Chanel ad. Oh, that's so cute. Wait. Okay, that's adorable lighting. Now it's so dark. Okay, I literally don't even know what to talk about in these videos. I was gonna do like a Q&A thing where I was gonna like ask you guys questions. But then I was like, nah, just like talk and like get to know you guys. So how have you been? What have you been up to? Let me tell what I've been up to. I think that's the whole point of a YouTube channel, is you guys getting to know me. Ugh, wow, so stupid. I've been doing this for like how many years and I just figured that out. So basically I've been playing Minecraft. I've been playing it like every night for like hours. Hours fly by, like hours. Like, okay, normally when I'm playing other games, like, I don't know, time moves in like a normal amount of time. Like, I'll be like, I never, like, I'm an old lady. Like, I go to bed every night, like, before 11, okay? Like, I do not stay up late. And I was playing Minecraft the other night. And my mom came downstairs and she was like, Kelsey, it's almost like 1 a.m. Like, you should go to bed. And I was like, it's like, what? And it was like literally past midnight. Like, I've never done that before. Okay, now we're gonna be putting on bronzer. This is the Natasha Denona. But no, seriously, I do want to work on getting back onto like the whole Tuesday, Friday video thing. I just have really bad time management. I don't know what my problem is. Like, I used to have really, I mean, I do have good time management. I'm just like lazy sometimes. Isn't that not what good time, okay, anyways. Okay, put a little much on. I have these new brushes and I don't know how to work them. The Morphe sent me like a whole, thank you Morphe. Morphe sent me like a whole thing of brushes and now I'm using it. Now I have to like get used to them because they're different than my older brushes and they like apply product a lot better than my old brushes. So I keep accidentally putting too much stuff on. Let me put some highlighter on. I'm gonna do, I have so many different products. I think I'm gonna use this Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. And then I'm gonna use, just for like more intensity on like the tip of my nose and like my Cupid's bow, I'm gonna use this Hourglass Champagne Flash. I have got this product. It's like one of those little machine thingies that like at home like laser removal. And I really have been wanting laser removal for like so many years now. And somebody sent me one of the little at-home machines and I'm really excited about it. It said that you can't have artificial tan on your skin because it'll like kind of not work as well, or like it could possibly even burn you. So I have to make sure all my tanner's off. So I wanted to do that like maybe tonight after I shower. You can see with this lighting if you can see that glow. See that? This lighting is really dramatic and helping me out. Thank you so much. Okay. More highlighter. This is just like a little bit more intense. I'm gonna put this like on the bridge and the tip of my nose. See how it's like a little bit more glowy. I have this little Givenchy. This is their Mr. Brow Groom. And it's just a little clear brow gel. Brush them up. There we go. I haven't really been filling in my eyebrows lately. I kind of just been doing this. So I'm just gonna do that. I think we're done with my face. I'm gonna spray it with some of this. This is the Clarins Fix Makeup. Now let's do my eyelashes. Let me curl them. I have my little Lancome lash curler. I need to paint my nails. Sorry about it. I had my nails done really nice. I got a nice gel manicure and they all peeled off yesterday and I was like, go figure. Right before I film a video, the perfect time for my nails to come off. Now we're gonna use this mascara. This has been my current favorite mascara lately. It's just nice and natural and like wispy and cute. This is the Lancome Definicils mascara. Super nice. Lancome sent me this PR box that is easily probably my favorite PR box I've received recently. And it had every mascara that they've ever made. And they literally have like 20 mascaras. So I've just been really excited like trying them all out. And so far this one has like stuck with me. I really like it. Okay, it's really hard to do that in the viewfinder. This is like difficult. But speaking of mascaras, my other favorite mascara, if you watch my channel, you know my favorite mascara is the Roller Lash by Benefit, but specifically the one in brown, and they discontinued it. Like, who told them that was okay? It's my favorite mascara. Like, were you guys not buying it? I told you to buy it. I went to Sephora because I ran out of it because they had sent me like a PR package with like 4 of them and I used them all. And so I went to Sephora and I didn't see it. So I asked the lady and I was like, hi, where's the brown one? She was like, oh, they don't make that anymore. I almost cried in the store. I was so mad. Okay, getting a little bit emotional, but it's fine. So now I don't have my favorite mascara anymore, but good thing Lancome came in clutch. I bought this new product. I forgot to use it, but it's okay, we're gonna use it on top anyways. So I follow the Chanel Beauty page online, like the We Love Coco page, and they have this Le Gel. It is like a face highlighting gel, and I was so obsessed, I was like, I have to buy it. So I ordered one. Look how pretty it is. It only comes in one color. It's like this gold shimmer face jelly. I'm gonna put some of it on my, just a little bit because it's kind of extra. And it actually a little bit goes a long way, so you definitely don't need that much. Can you see that? Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. We're doing that, that looks great. Okay. Now I'm like so glossy and shiny. Now I think all we have left to do is the lips. I also wanted to talk about this. Okay, let me bring the book as well. So, I couldn't find it. Okay, found it. Here we are. This is my new favorite product. I literally just bought like 2 days ago. This is the YSL, what is it called? It's their vinyl cream. This is in shade 417 and it's like a stain. I didn't even know it was a stain. I've been wanting a lip stain for the longest time because I hate having to reapply every 5 seconds a lip gloss. So this just like gives you that nice pigmented color, but it stains your lips so you always have color no matter what. Like even after you eat, your lips still look perfect. And I just love the color of it. I think it's so pretty. This is what it looks like. God, I want to talk about this book because a lot of you guys always ask me. I think I've never talked about this book in a video before. I've talked to a lot of you guys like over DM about this book because so many of you guys always ask me about my devotionals. I always talk about that I do daily devotionals. I'll do devotionals every morning. I have this book that is so amazing. My mom actually told me about it because when she was in like missionary school, I guess she used to read this book or whatever. So she saw it in the bookstore because I spend like all my free time at Barnes & Nobles. I don't know why, but she saw it. She was like, oh my gosh, you should get this. I used to read it when I was younger. So it's called God Calling. This is the book. Sorry, it has like tea ring stains on it, but this is the book. Matches my aesthetic, so they knew what they were doing. I'll leave like a little link for it in the description for you guys. Okay, now let's continue getting ready. Let's do the hair look, but I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in my hair. This is the one my mom uses. If you wanna know, I use the Dry Bar one, like the one in the little pink can. So I do that to give it some volume, and just like also because my hair was kind of greasy. So yeah, that's the hair look. It just kind of adds some texture and volume to basically exactly how my hair was before.
Okay, and here's me modeling the end result look, the hair and makeup look that I just did. It was just kind of awkward silence of me modeling for a moment. But I decided to give you this voiceover instead of just like a conceited moment of like me flailing around to piano music. So this is the look. Thank you, Sun, for providing this lighting for this moment that I just had. My hair, whoa, my hair looked good. This is my first time seeing that clip. Wow. I liked my hair that day. I'm gonna keep doing my hair like this. Thumbs up to keep doing my hair like this.
But yeah, that's the look. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get dressed because like I said, I'm gonna be styling 80 million outfits today. I do not have time to pick out another one just for this video because I'm just gonna be wearing literally these sweatpants all day. Okay, I'm gonna actually take some selfies now. Oh, it's so bright, I can't even open my eyes. I just took an insane amount of selfies in that little lighting. But definitely I think that's the best one that I took. So yeah, that's the look that we got going on today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat, get ready with me. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and if you want to see more of them. Also, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this and more fashion related videos. I have a lot of cool stuff coming up. Like I said, Paris Fashion Week vlog. I might even do New York Fashion Week as well. Style with me's, more of these types of videos, my home vlogs, everything. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram. And that is it. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in my next video.